So guys, you all are also guys irritated your speaking skill and you want to develop your English speaking. So guys, in this video is only for you all are guys. Yes guys. And so today I'm gonna talk about the very important thing as you also saw in the thumbnail, because after you showing the thumbnail so well and then also you can click the video. So now I will tell you the topic is very important, very beneficial, very common. Yes guys, that if when I will tell you that you think that we everyone we just want that in this time we can learn the English language, in this time we need to learn the English language, but the thing is we cannot able to learn the English language. Why? Because we did not have much like sentence, so that's why also we cannot like speak the English language. So that is the thing. So today's video I am gonna talk about that how you can make sentence one word become a 1000 sentence, one word become a 1000 sentence. Today I'm gonna talk about how it is possible. Yes guys, so guys, if you do not subscribe my channel, so first of all you all have to subscribe my channel, and after you subscribe my channel you have to press the bell icon, because if you press the bell icon, so my first videos notification will come in you and you will watch my video easily guys. That if you did not watch my video, so you cannot listen what I say and what I give you the advice how you can learn the English language. So today's video also the same, very interesting, very important for all our guys. Please listen what I say, and if you are new in this channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Always remember one thing, that thing is impossible in the world. So guys, you have to do hard work. Then after you doing hard work, you can find out the result is that you are the successful person. So now I don't waste time this successful thing. Now I will go to the topic. So how it is possible that one word become a 1000 sentence? How it is possible? Like it is possible that I don't take the video like long. I will give you the advice so how you can like do this thing and how you can make one word become a 1000 sentence. So guys, this way and this thing help you the very interesting thing, and if you want to make the sentences, so this course is always help you. Like we everyone needs money. Yes, we everyone needs money. We just thinking that without money in this time, in this generation, to survive, it is impossible without the money. So guys, in this happen, APJ Abdul Kalam say to us, and also he say to this course, and he write down this course. This course is very important and mind blowing course. That if you can feel and if you can listen the courses, so you can just find out the value of the money. Yes guys, so guys, I don't waste time, I will tell you the quotes for everything. Money can buy a house but not home. Money can buy a bed but not sleep. Money can buy a clock but not time. Money can buy a food but not appetite. Money can buy food but not appetite. Money can buy a blood but not life. Money can buy a insurance but not safety. So you see, money is not everything. So as you all are know and as you all are follow this thing, that I will say to you every word by money, about the money. I will discuss about the money. So in this way you also can use to make the sentence about a word. Like think the example, another example is that like a pen, like a pen, what we in this pen, where we use in this pen to write down our note and to write down our books as a word. So guys, how you can describe about the how you can describe about the pen. So now I will tell you and now I will share to you that if you want to become a advanced from beginner, so in this video is only for you all guys. So listen what I say. Whenever we just start our speaking, we cannot like find out the word, we cannot make sentence on spot, we cannot we did not have the idea in what way, in what thing I will talk about. So these are all of the things you can use, just like in our environment, in our art has have a lot of things to speak something. about the tree, about the book, about your family members, about yourself, about school, about culture, about society, about sky, about tree, about bird, about plane, about river, about ground. There are a lot of things. Just taken out one of the thing and then just try to speak the about the all of the thing and about the particular thing. So now I will tell you pen. What is the a pen? Pen is very important for us. Every time pen will help us. Whenever we have to write down something, we need the pen because without pen we cannot write down. Everywhere, every time we need the pen. Pen is like our friend. Every time when we give the exam, in this time also pen is very important. Without pen we cannot write down our exam. Without pen we cannot complete our exam. Pen is very important. A pen is very useful, very important thing, and important like important creative thing. Pen is very important thing for us. Every time we have to need the pen. Whenever we have to give the signature in any in any paper, we need the pen because without pen cannot give the signature. So always remember one thing, just if you just talk about something in English about anything like a pen. First of all, just find out the particular thing about the pen. Like in I also I also take the particular thing, the main thing about the pen. In a pen, in where we use a pen. You have to write down a pen everywhere. Without pen, we cannot just complete our exam. Without pen we cannot we are nothing. Without pen we cannot give the signature. So all of the thing I can copy in our brain. Then after I copy it in our brain, I practice my speaking, and then now time I say to you. Then also I hope you all are understood. Just find out the particular thing of your of your what object of your thing, what thing you just talk about. So always remember one thing, just nothing is impossible in the world. So you have to do hard work, and English language like a river. You cannot find out the end of the river. So always remember one thing, guys, just practice lot, do lot of practice. Without practice you cannot learn the English language. Yes guys, so if you like this video, so also subscribe my channel, and also don't form and also press the bell icon. So guys, I hope you all are understood that if you so guys, I hope you all are understood. So see you in the next more interesting video. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button.